So I'm out at my little, what I call my campsite. It's minus 10 out, I believe, minus 10. Anyway, I'm gonna make a log bird feeder. What it is you just simply take a log and drill holes in it, 1-inch holes, and fill them with peanut butter. This is the log here, right? Now this came from a poplar. It's called a tulip poplar. It grows up here in Algonquin. And so what we're gonna do is drill the holes in it, right? Fill it with peanut butter. You wouldn't believe the number of birds you get. Oh my God, it's fascinating. So we're gonna do it now, okay? A little wee fire going here just to take the chill off, so to speak, right? But it's a beautiful day. It's nice and quiet. Okay, let's get this done. This is an old cook stove that I found out at ruins of an old 1800s farmhouse that's on this property, and so I brought it over here for my camp area. But anyway, with this unit, I'm using a brace and bit. I'd suggest you use a power drill just because it's easier. But just drill holes about, I'd say, a good 1-inch deep. That's one done. And what you want to do is you want to drill them. Well, you do whatever you want, but I like to drill them around their circumference. So I put 2 on a side. That's biting in nice. There we go. Maybe a little more on that guy. And we'll keep going. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, it says about minus 10 out. So, it's a bit chilly. So just drill some holes around, like I said, in the first set's there. We'll drill another set here. Okay. See, not very deep. So there's 2 there, 2 there. Let's put a couple here. Now this branch coming in, you won't be able to drill that. There's no way. I'll put 1 here. Okay. Two, 3, 4, 5. A couple more here. The wood's a bit frozen. There we go. 1 more. Okay. That should do it. Knock the snow out of these holes. There we go. So that's it. If you had a power drill, you could make one of these things up in about probably 10 minutes, not even. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 holes. Now to hang it, I'm just going to put a pin in the top. Done. Easy peasy. Just like that. Beautiful. I'll fill it with peanut butter and hang her up. Not that it matters, but I'm using Jif Crunchy. They love the little bits of peanuts in it, right? I use the back end of a spoon, not the front end, the back end, and just mush it in the holes. Easy peasy, just like this. Look at that. Yeah. We'll get this filled up and we'll hang it. We'll see how we do. So this is my setup here. Let's put this up. Chickadees are already waiting. Hey, buddy. Here you go. Here we go. Just like that. Let's see. Let's see what happens. There he comes. First customer. He's checking it out. Huh. Not quite.